Hello everyone. So what I have here is this really neat looking Slaymaker, like a adjustable bike lock. And the way I get into it is there's a little mechanism over here. Whoa! That once you hit it, it removes the shackle. And if you look down there, it's just a little, that little toggle right there, that steel looking piece. You lever that up and it gets both sides at the same time. So yeah, that's your mechanism. Pretty easy to get into once you figure it out. I haven't seen too many that have this type of keyway. You know, usually they're warded and stuff like that. So there you go, a nice little old Slaymaker adjustable shackle padlock. Thank you for watching and happy picking, everyone.